This is an old Skull Candy headset. What happened is the audio wire cable has actually got spoiled. It's not working. So what I did was I ordered a 2-pin jack from Amazon. I'll put the link below. It is from Tech. And then I have also ordered audio cable from Amazon again. I've ordered 2, so that this is audio cable, and I'll just show you. It's really nice. We are going to pin in the audio cable here in the socket. Here I have entered this is 3.5 mm jack, and it can fit in any mobile phone. And this is the second link of the same cable, audio cable. I have not ordered for the mic cable because I was not getting a good mic cable one extension. Here the other 2 pins of the same audio cable I'm going to insert in the headset. Now the length is quite huge. It comes in 2 lengths. One is roughly 3.5 mm. This is gold plated, 1.5 meter length of the cable, and the other cable length is 1 meter. So see here, see 1 meter cable length of the same that I've ordered, and here I ordered the other one, 1.5 meter. Actually I ordered separately because I was not sure if it would work. So I ordered one cable first, then I ordered the second because it was working fine. So my headsets are fine, but only the cable got spoiled. So now I'm going to insert it in the phone. Here I have inserted the jack 3.5 mm in the phone. I'm going to play the music now. It's already playing. See, the headphones are working fine. If you see, it has started working fine. You can hear. Stop. So this is how the headsets are working fine. So all I need to do was get new audio cable and the jack pins with 2 pins. I'm going to put the link of this jack with 2 pins and this male to male audio cables that I have purchased from Amazon. It's quite a good thing, so I hope that you order it and save your Skull Candy or any other good brand headset whose wire is not working now. It's quite a good deal. So thank you so much. I hope that you order. And one more thing, this plug-in, this is quite stable actually. If you buy the other ones, they might be not stable. This is quite stable. It doesn't fall out. So this is quite good, this jack. So it's quite nice, solid. So I hope that you enjoy your music and take care of your old headset. Just this little repair. And let me tell you, there are audio cables also, mic cable also available, but that was an international order and that requires an ID proof, so I never ordered that through Amazon. But this is doing good. So if you want to listen music like me, so this is a good deal. This is a quick fix to your Skull Candy headset or any other headset that you have actually almost thought that you have lost it. So you can renew it by purchasing the audio cables and the 3-pin jack, 3.5 mm jack. Thank you so much. Enjoy music.